once again, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. Again, we have a Bernina. This is a Bernina E570. Now, this machine just came in yesterday, and the issue we have with this Bernina machine is that it doesn't matter what stitch I pressed, the needle stays always on the left. Chiki, 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 chiki. I press the zigzag and the needle stays there. I press any stitches and just stays on the right. Turn it off, turn it back on. When I turn it back on, it could be on the right or it could be on the left. It's not making any changes. There's three reasons why it is happening here. Three reasons. Either we have the main board damage here, we have the PCBA position board inside, the synchronizer. Three reasons. It's hard for me to say, oh, it's the PCBA, it's the main board, or it's the synchronizer. You know, to find out what I do, I have extra main board, PCBA, and also have the actually synchronizer. And you know, I try which one might work because you can't really tell by measuring which one it is. In this case, I'm gonna try each of them and see which one comes bad. That's the only way. Now, changing the main board and the actually PCBA, it's pretty easy because it's a board, you just take it off and put the other one in there. If it is the synchronizer that is damaged, you have to take off the whole main shaft, take it completely out, replace it because the synchronizer, the main shaft goes through it and you have to replace it. Now, I'm gonna go back inside now, open it up, check it out, and see what's going on. I will show you later what's happening. Let's go. Okay, here's the Bernina machine. I just finished it. Just want to show you. It's working beautiful. Look at this. So now, when I select any type of stitch, the machine does it. Now, if I want to go into just plain zigzag, I could just press zigzag. It's going to show on the screen zigzag, and now the machine is giving me zigzag. If I want to go a straight stitch, I'm just going to select straight stitch, and the machine's going to give me a straight stitch. Just select it. It's going to show me straight stitch on the center. There you go. As you can see now, the machine is actually taking the command that I'm giving it. But just because the main board was damaged and we had to replace it, and also that small PCBA board that is inside that controls the actual stitch length and stitch width, and the sensor all together, when the main board goes bad, usually that one gets damaged at the same time. So machine got fixed, everything is good now. Just gonna make a few more samples to it and 100% perfectly fine. Another happy customer. Okay, so the machine now has been finished. This is the Bernina 570. Unfortunately, this machine did have the S-print. This is the main board that goes here on the front. S-print. And when that board goes bad, most likely this one here, this is the PCBA board, which is the one that actually controls the needle bar throughout the synchronizer that goes here. So when the synchronizer goes around, it goes through these sensors here, and that's the command the needles to go zigzag, straight and forward, or whatever. This is the board that does that, and this is the main board. Both of them damaged. We have changed it already, replaced it. You saw the machine making all the stitches, everything looks great. Thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor again in New York. Now, one thing that I want to show you about this has to be done by a professional Bernina sewing technician. Don't take it somewhere just because you're gonna get it cheaper priced. Okay, thank you for watching the Sewing Doctor in New York. The machine is perfectly fine. Remember, we are Bernina Certified Tech. Bye-bye.